how keywords work in PPC. Basically, anyone who is looking for a product to solve their needs on Amazon, they are going to type something in. And that is what we call search terms. So they are looking for one specific product with a search term. A search term could be color stage gel envy. So this is something that I would do on Amazon if I want to find this product. Now, keywords, when it comes down to keywords, are things that you are bidding on. Search terms are the terms that someone would look up your product. When it comes down to search terms and keywords, you have different options on how to advertise keywords. You can advertise keywords that are in exact match. This means that whenever someone is going to write down the color stage gel envy, diamond top coat, the search term that they are looking for is going to bring them to this product, and that is going to be an exact match. If you're going to, again, the same keyword, color stage gel envy, diamond top coat, advertise for it, and if you're going to advertise in anything else but exact match, maybe a broad match, maybe a phrase match, maybe a broad modified match, all the search terms that are going to come up for this product are highly likely not going to be the exact match of the keyword that you're advertising for.